Hello, and let's take a look at the Conrad Hilton Istanbul Bosphorus. The Conrad is a five-star hotel. It's the flagship, top of the line Hilton brand hotel. And the one on the Bosphorus also gives beautiful views of the strait and historic Istanbul. This is our first time to stay in the Conrad brand of Hilton. Once again, five star. You can see all the awards that it's won, top of the line. And we're diamond members with Hilton, but we've never stayed at this level of Hilton hotel. It has an executive lounge, which we did enjoy to get drinks and all of those kind of things, snacks. You could even make a small light dinner off of what you get at the executive lounge. But the lobby, it's a beautiful lobby area. You have bellman there to help you, plenty of seating areas, very beautifully decorated. And there's plenty of restaurants around in the lobby and stores. So a lot to do there. As you can see here, like if there's a special reception area for suites and looking in the lobby itself, there is a security checkpoint, which is common in the Middle East, that they x-ray your bags and you go through an x-ray machine before coming into the hotel. But you can see that you have a jewelry store, you have a very nice cafe that's Monet's Cafe, dedicated to the Impressionist. And they had a really neat, and we'll show more detail later, chocolate display for Halloween. But here you can get small snacks and things, but we'll go over the menu for that a little bit later. And there's also, you have Monteverde, which is an Italian restaurant. Let's take a quick pause and let you just enjoy the lobby with the music. Relaxing and elegant in the lobby area, especially with the music. They do have a nice fitness area with very modern equipment. And there's also a hair stylist salon that you can go to. They, of course, have a spa as well. They have an indoor and outdoor pool, which here's the indoor pool for when it's cool. But we also saw the outdoor pool as well while we were here. And let's take a look at Monet's. So this is a lounge, small snacks, um, coffees, teas, things like that. But you can see here some of the kind of things like for breakfast that you could get, and all of those prices are in Turkish lira. So, taking a look, I mean, it's a good place to get some small kind of items. We went to Monteverde and got some really tasty minestrone soup. And we also got a great spaghetti pasta. But the ham, the Italian ham they had, is some of the best that I've had. The portions aren't huge, but they're very, very nice all the same. So, taking a look at the breakfast buffet, we did get breakfast each day at their buffet, and it's a very well done buffet that includes Turkish delights that you can try, and those can change each day. You have plenty of olives. Like I personally love olives, so there's a great olive station. You have also Asian breakfast foods that you can choose from, and a short order cook. And yes, there is a Turkish section. And there's once again a view of the great spread of all kinds of different olives. But you could try, we tried a lot of the Turkish food and it was really great, beyond even, of course, the Turkish delights. So, and they also have, as you can see here, plenty of wines available. And as promised, here's a look at Monet's and this beautiful chocolate sculpture that they had here with, as you can see, A Nightmare Before Christmas and other um, creatures. And it's just a uh, great, and you can smell the chocolate too. So let's take a look at our room that we stayed in, which is a park view suite with a balcony. So we were able to get an upgrade with a little extra cash, and we were able to stay in this room that has a separate guest bathroom. It has, as you can see here, a nice living room area with plenty of windows and TV, a smart TV that was very, very nice and very large. We stayed on the ninth floor, a very, very large balcony with beautiful views of the city. And also, you could see the Bosphorus Strait, a partial view of it. And it was wonderful at sunset, sitting out here watching the great city of Istanbul fade away in the distance. And you can actually see the Bosphorus, a little bit of it over there. So, continuing on with our tour, we'll head over to the master bathroom. So, taking the look at that, our master bedroom, I should say, you'll see, king bed, another smart TV, plenty of storage room, and then a very elegant bathroom. So, nice sink area. You have a bathtub and dual rain shower. That is quite nice. So you got that. And it was a really, really nice room to stay in. A unique aspect is there's actually a TV in the mirror. So we're able to, it had full cable on it, so I could turn it to BBC and watch that while brushing my teeth. Is a very nice room in a very nice hotel that we're very impressed with. This hotel is in the financial district. It's not in the Old Town area, so it's a little ways to get to Old Town, but that didn't really matter because the tours we had would take us there anyways. So, once again, great place. You can see the beautiful views we had. And here's the sunset. So, a stunning sunset view of the city. You could see Old Town in the distance, the Bosphorus, and the city as it went to sleep. So thanks for watching. Contact us to book your next Istanbul trip with ET Family Travel and subscribe for more destinations and tours.